Has your boyfriend broken up with you? Did you try to change his mind to no avail? Don't give up. Let me give you a man's point of view on how to win him back. I have been helping women reunite with their ex-boyfriends for years. And like them, you will do it without looking desperate or giving up your dignity. Sounds good. Let's dive in. You can get your ex-boyfriend back. The specific details of what happened with your boyfriend do not matter as much as others think. Nor does it matter if your ex-boyfriend is stubborn or known for not giving second chances. You can become lovers again. Stubborn men and crazy breakups are not immune to the laws of human nature. And if you match his stubbornness with your determination, your story is far from over. Will your ex-boyfriend forget you? Many girls worry their ex-boyfriend will be enjoying their freedom more than any perk he was getting from the relationship. That may be true at first, usually propped up with the support of his friends. But once the anger and drama have subsided, he is likely to reevaluate the situation. And while you are worried he will forget about you, or be snapped up by another girl, rest assured that's not how it works. I mean, yes, it happens. But it's more complicated than that. If you shared a meaningful relationship, it would have left a mark that won't vanish overnight. The idea of him getting on with his life in the meantime will be distressing for you. The pain you were left with since the breakup is beyond any description I could tell. I want you to know that I know this is a tough time for you, even if I can't understand how you feel. What I can do is give you some pointers for handling this challenging time. Let's look at how you go about nudging him into considering the idea of getting back with you. Follow the no contact rule. You should stop all communication with your ex-boyfriend after the breakup. You need to put some distance between you and him. And between you and his friends and family. I'm talking zero communication. And yes, this includes social media. If you do cross paths, be polite and brief. Then move on. If you don't see or hear from him, silence is your friend. Yes, it'll be odd not to talk. Reaching out will be all you want to do. But don't. No doubt about it, breaking the habit of checking and sending messages to one another will be hard. You'll need to be strong to stay committed. But, the break from contact will change the dynamics. Besides, he'll also feel the pain of being ignored. It's a two-way street. Refraining from contact works. Simple as that. How to attract your ex-boyfriend back. If you get coaching from a high-profile relationship guru, he or she will get you to work on yourself first. On raising your value, not your boyfriend's. Would they be wrong? Nope. They'd guide you to care for, and improve, the woman in the mirror. To accept and trust the one looking back to do the right thing for her. Why? Because the side effect of this gets your man to reconsider your value and place in his life. And ensures you won't undervalue yourself or put him on a pedestal. Another way of looking at it is you want to be more like the person he fell for in the first place. Not the person he broke up with. Though only if you agree, those qualities are right for you to have. Remember, men are not wired to be attracted to women who have low energy, who are needy and who are depressed. Those are not magnetic qualities. So let him see you enjoying yourself and life. Be confident and outgoing, and he may remember what he saw in you. Why did your ex-boyfriend break up with you? Once things have settled, try and understand why your boyfriend left you. Because if you don't know, it will be difficult for you to fix the problem. And I assure you, there was a problem. When you and your man began going out, you would have been tolerant of one another. We tend to act our best in the first stages of the relationship. However, over time, we relax a little. This leads to small irritations. Can you relate to this? One irritation too many is all it takes to break up a relationship. Putting aside blame, reflect on whether you were pushy, or took him for granted. Or if you were controlling, angry or complaining. It's not for me to say, of course. I'm just listing the kind of things you might want to think about. So, identify why your ex-boyfriend broke up with you. And if it is healthy for you to fix something, go for it. How long before contacting your ex-boyfriend? Giving him space and working on yourself puts you in a stronger position. But, how long should you do this for? I know this isn't what you want to hear. But you have to be patient and willing to let this thing run its course. When I said to give your guy some space, I'm not talking about a couple of days. Or even a week. In some cases, that may be long enough, but those are less common. It's going to be challenging for you. But for most couples, I recommend a few weeks of no contact. In some cases, 30 days or longer. It depends. Use this cooling off stage to your advantage. Use this time to learn how to cope with the situation, improve yourself, and become the best you that you can be. When it's contact time. Cutting to the chase, I recommend you text your ex-boyfriend. Take it from an experienced relationship coach. Calling on the phone is risky in comparison. And writing a letter can look try-hard. Speaking on the phone means thinking on your feet. And once you've started chatting, things can run away from you, making it easy to say the wrong thing. Letters can work, but that medium is not as universally accepted today as plain texting is. Texting is the safest approach. It gives your ex-boyfriend time to think. He can reply when he feels comfortable to do so. And, when he does respond, you also have time to think. This helps to reduce mistakes. So, what do you send? Here's a basic formula. Pick a topic, hobby, band, movie, interest you both enjoy and which is meaningful to him. Look for something new, different, interesting about it which is worth commenting on. Casually convey your opinion, remark to your ex-boyfriend. And wait. Get back with your ex-boyfriend slowly. You are not looking to meet up at this stage. You want to soften the negative feelings between you, so there is more room for the good feelings. Take it slowly. The slower, the better in my experience. Imagine in a few weeks, meeting your ex and you're controlled, confident, and happy. You might show your ex-boyfriend what he's been missing. And who knows, you could be well on your way to get him back. Do you want to know if you have a chance of getting your ex back? Click the link in the description box below this video to get more awesome tips on how to attract your ex-boyfriend back.